Good morning, everyone. Please stand for the prayer. Miss Malinaw, can you lead the prayer? Okay, how are you all feeling today? Are you all fine? Are you all good? Great to hear that. Kanindot ba? Uy, good jud kayong morning? Very good. At mas ato pa dyan ang ipag-good ang inyong morning sa inyong makatunan karong buntaga. Okay? Very good. So, since good mo kayo yung morning, so if I will say testing, so this first row will say difference. If I will say between, this second row will say to means. If I will say using, the last row will say the z-test. Okay? Yes? So, let's start. Testing, between, using. Very good. Again, one more time. Testing, between, using. Great job. So since tulo na mo ka row, so ato na siya tulo na mo ka grupo, and I want you to get a piece of paper and then write when you hear the word z-testing, what comes to your mind? So unsa may maabot sa inyo na huna mo makadungog mo ng z-testing? Unsa man jay mga word or phrase nga inyong mahuna-hunaan when you hear the word z-testing? Okay? So I want you to write sa inyo kanang papel, and then I'll give you 5 minutes. And afterwards, ipass ninyo there is na ako ang papel. Okay? So 5 minutes starts now. 5 minutes is over. Kindly pass your papers. Dekada nilag ni suwat. Very good. We'll see if sakto man inyong wala sayop man kay it's your thoughts man. Kung unsa inyong, it's in your own opinion, in your own understanding. So wala sayop, but we'll see if sakto ba inyong nangasuwat. Okay? So, for today's video, for today, we'll be learning or tackling about testing the difference between two means using the z-test. So, we're testing here what is the difference between two means using the z-test. Now, z-test is the statistical hypothesis used to determine whether two sample means calculated are different and the standard deviation is available and the sample is large. Also, in statistics, a two-sample z-test for means is used to determine if the means of two populations are equal. This test is used when the population standard deviation is known. So the two-sample z-test is used when the standard deviation is known, which we'll be doing later. So, and also, it's stated there, the standard deviation is available and the large sample is large. Here an example. Who gets better grades? Males or females? A randomly selected sample. Everyone kindly read. Okay, so I will read again so that masabtan yung problem. Okay? So, who gets better grades? Males or females? A randomly selected sample of 61 female students had an average college GPA of 3.08. 3.08 points with a standard deviation of 0.32. So a randomly selected sample of 64 male students had an average college GPA of 2.9 with a standard deviation of 0.34 points. Use the 5% significance level and the p-value method to test the claim that there is a difference between the average GPAs of male and female students. So use the p-value. So we're going to use the p-value. Okay? So here's the claim. Ang claim nila is mas dako ang female towards kaysa sa male. So, mean female is not equal to mean of male. Is not equal to, because they say that there is a difference. I mean, so there's a difference average as a GPA of female and male. So this is our HA, and mean of female is not equal to mean of male, and then our HO will be the opposite of this. So mean of female equals mean of male. So we have here the data. You will see the data of male, female, and the data of male. So number of sample or sample size, which is for male, we have 61 female students, and then the sample mean or the x bar equals to 3.08, and then the standard deviation of 0.32, and then for mean we have number of the sample size, which is 64, and then the sample mean or the x bar is 2.9, and then with the standard deviation of 0.34, with the alpha, which is the significance level, which is 5% or 0.05. Okay? So row 3, pila ang sample size sa male? 64, very good. Row 1, pila ang sample mean sa female? 0.61? No. Row 2? Yes, it's 3.08. This is the sample mean, and this is the number, sample size, and this is the standard deviation. Okay. So everyone, pila ang significance level? 0.5% is 0.05. Very good. So now, ato na siyang isolve. We're going to solve it. So this will be our formula that we're going to use. So we use the notation Z here because we're using the Z test, obviously. So the formula is Z equals to X bar, which stands for summation of mean, F, summation of female minus summation of male over the square root of sigma squared, standard deviation over N, F, number of sample size, F plus sigma squared over N, M. Okay, so we're going to plot that here. So X, which is summation of mean, is for female, we have 3.08. So 3.08 minus summation of mean of male, we have 2.9, and then the standard deviation of male, we have 0.30. So or dyan ninyo ang nasa formula. Dapat ang formula dyan ang inyong mabawaan dyan ninyo ang formula, masagot dyan ninyo ang inyong pattern. Okay? So have standard deviation of female, we have 0.32. 0.32 squared over number sample size of female, we have 61. Ito natin data dito sa muna siya itong tanawon. Okay? And then for male, we have 0.34. 0.34 over which our sample size is 64. Now, so it's time to use your calculators. So, okay, i-kuan sa inyong calculator. I-compute. Okay? Ana? Sige. Kamay compute, ana. Kung pareha ba? Ano ba yung answer? How much? Yes? 0. No? Yes? 3.05? Very good. It's 3.05. Nakakuha mo ba? Or nag-solve, nag-compute pa? Okay, I'll give you time. Sige. 3.05 is the answer of this. Okay, pwede natin siyang i-calculate, pero mas calculate din siya by step by step. Ano, sumat mo kalibog. And that's the use of our calculators. Para dali na lang ninyo. Okay? So, nakakuha na? Good. So, the answer of this is 3.05. Okay. So, now, we're going to plot in a, ato na siyang i-plot sa itong tail. That is Z-tail test. Okay, so, here, let's say this is our this is the 3.05. Okay? So, this is Z-tail test. Because as we can see here, sa makita dili, if na siya i-claim yung HA nga is not equal to, and if this is a claim, so we have a rule that we're going to use the two-tailed test. So let's say that 3.05, and then we're going to find the area from there, from zero, ang area to kung itaon diri. So how to find that? We're going to look at our Z table, which is tackled on the past lessons. So as inyo tan-aw sa Z table, ang value sa ato ang from area there's a 3.05, padung diri is 0.4989. Ano siya makita dito sa Z table. Then, after, para makuha na to ang iyahang ang P value, we're going to subtract this area of to 0.505, at then subtractan ang 0.4989. So, ito na siyang subtract, so it will be 0.001. So, our sa itong P value, it will be, so, since two-tailed man siya, so ato siya i-multiply by 2, ang ato ang rate. So, 0.2 times 1, 0.0011 equals to, multiplied, pila? Answer. Okay, so it will be 0.0022. Okay, now you have P value. This is our P value, 0.022. And with that, 0.022 dictates that our P value is less than our alpha, which is our significance level, which is 5% or 0.05. And with that, we have a rule that if our alpha if our P value is less than our alpha, we're going to reject HO and support HA. Okay? There's not a rule nga if ang atong P value is less than sa atong alpha, which is significance level, we're going to reject ang atong HO and then support our HA, which is mao ang atong claim. So with that, therefore, the sample data support the claim that there is a difference. Okay, we use the phrase or the word support here because our claim is our claim is not actually the difference a GPA of female and male, which is mean of female is not equal to mean of male. So which is sakto siya. So we're going to reject the HO and support the HA, which is, this is our claim. Yeah. The sample data supports the claim that there is a difference. And if mas dako ang ato ang alpha or significance level kaysa sa atong p-value, of course, it will we're not going to use the word support here, but we're going to use it will become the sample data allows the claim that there is a difference. Okay? Nasabtan ka? Good, unsan? Mga pautana. Okay, afterwards I will give you a short quiz to test the kung naminaw ba siya mo. So pangutana. Wala? Final? Okay, so wala na dyan? Yes, unsa man? This is a symbol for alpha or our significance level. And kung wala naman siya, hindi mo pwede mo 5% diri. So, ito na siya, decimal. And also, ari sa ito ang, diri, diba kung ganun nagkalculate, taas pa kay answer. But we're going to 2 decimal places, rata. 2 decimal places, or dyan kaya, dili ko pwede na. 1, okay? Igato nito, pangitan na ito sa Z-table. Another Z-table is 2 decimal places rata. And if magtulo ka, or isuwat ni mong tanan, malisod na kapangita, or what, di ka makita dito, masamot kagalimog. Okay? Any questions? Clarifications? Before to move, proceed sa ato ang short quiz. Wala na? Okay, alright. Sige. This is our short quiz. Dali na kanina nyo. Kato ganihan to ang mga example is, ba na to siya? So kanina kayo, marang sensitive. Kaya kanina nyo. I'll give you, pila man yung gusto na time? 20? 30? 20 lang, 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes. So, everyone can read the problem first. Ako na lang. Okay. So, the teacher claims that the mean score of students in his class is greater than 82 with a standard deviation of 20. If a sample of 81 students was selected with a mean score of 90, then check if there is enough evidence to support his claim at a 0.5 significance level. Okay, so given ang significance level, natin siya ang mean score, which is 82 and 81. And, when it has standard deviation, given na siya. Okay, ang pag-analyze na lang. So, center dyan na. So, okay, kuan, one whole sheet of paper. Or if you have pen paper, much better. Okay, so I'll give you 20 minutes to answer. Okay, you can start now. And if there's question, you can ask me the same questions. Okay? Sige, you can start. So that's it for today. If you don't have any questions or clarifications, yes, so I hope you learned something today that kanaig-uli ninyo makana mo ay makana dyan yung kaugalingon nga ay naadyo ko'y nakatunan ni ma'am karon. Nakibaw siya ko ang saon ko pag-solve sa Z-test sa 2 means, difference between 2 means using Z-test. Nakibaw siya ko. Okay? So, thank you for listening. Have a good, and have a wonderful day ahead.